What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is another Nomadik unboxing early release. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, unboxing videos, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. So today is the February 2021 Nomadik Box unboxing. Now, let me get to my cheat sheet here. If you don't know anything about Nomadik Boxes, it's a subscription service. You can pick 1, 6, or 12-month subscriptions, and then they send you these boxes once a month, every month for the duration of your subscription. 1 month, $32.95. 6 months, it drops it down to $31.25 per box. And if you go all the way out to 12 months, a full year, it drops it down to $29.99 per month. You can't beat that. All right, they have an Iron-Clad Guarantee. What that means is you get something in this box that you already have or is broken, you reach out to them, they will replace it or give you something that you don't already have. The other cool thing about Nomadik is, say you're going out of town and you're not going to be at home when it ships, because sometimes it does have food items in it. If you're not going to be at home when it ships, then you can skip a month. So if you paid for 6 months and you need to skip June, it'll carry over. You'll skip that month and then it'll pick back up the following month. So awesome subscription service. I enjoy the boxes. I paid for a 6-month subscription. After that, Nomadik sent me these boxes to test out and open up for you guys. So disclaimer, I did not pay for this box, but they sent it for you guys to see what's in it. So this is the February box. I don't know why it's not in the regular Nomadik box, but maybe that box is in here. I don't know. So what we're going to use the Gerber Hybrid X, that retractable X-Acto blade. If you missed that review, I'll put a card up top. You can check it out. But the Hybrid X. So let's get in here and see what kind of goodies they have included in this month's box. All right. So first thing first, we have our pamphlet. This one is called Stormy Weather. So each month has a theme. Everything in here revolves around that theme in some way. On the back side of here, there's a Nomadik challenge that you have a month to do your challenge. There's also brand discounts. Usually it involves brands that are in the box. Sometimes it doesn't. All right, so then we have Nomadik tips over here, and then all this is the stuff that is in the box. It gives us descriptions. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things in this box. So like normal, we're going to keep this handy in case we have to read about something that we don't know what it is. So let's see. So let's start off with, we have our sticker. So love stickers. If you like stickers like I do. All right, so that is cool. That is not something that I would buy unless I absolutely needed it, but to have it in case you need it is really cool. A sealant and adhesive for joints and stuff like that, seam grip. So like if you have, like for me, I hammock camp, so I have a tarp over me, so if it starts leaking or whatever, like before I need to go on my trip, I can put that up, seam seal it, and get it back, keeping me dry. All right, so next we have, what is this? Quick Survive. Lights any fire fast. All right, so place 1 to 2 quick fire pouches in or around logs and light using corner of the pouch as a wick. You can use it for charcoal with a charcoal chimney, charcoal without a chimney, or you can use it with a flint. So that is pretty cool. It's a weatherproof fire starter that works under most extreme conditions. So yeah, we'll have to check that out and possibly come back and give you a review of it. So let's see, a flashlight. You can never have too many flashlights. This is a 40 lumen 9LX LED flashlight from Lux Pro, and that is pretty bright. Hard to see out here in the daylight, but it's 40 lumens, runtime 12 hours, 15-meter beam distance. Says it's IPX4 water resistant and impact resistant. So yes, can never have too many flashlights. Next, what is this? Lightweight poncho. All right, how are we together here? Oh, okay. So we have a full lightweight poncho. You probably can't hear me over the rattling. Oh yeah. So this is done by Nomadik. So really cool. Now I got to figure out how to fold it back up. Never need a poncho until you don't have one. And last we have a 8-liter dry bag from Earth Pack. So you roll it down. If you haven't ever had a dry bag, you roll it down and then you secure it closed. Let's see. 8 liters is a pretty big dry pack. And let's see, and it's clear. Well, transparent. So that is pretty big. So you've got a place to attach something here, and this would be something I wouldn't necessarily take with me hiking, but it's a little bit heavier than what I would use, but it is something that I would take like family camping to help keep some stuff dry, or to store some food in or something like that. So really cool. I love me some dry bags, and it comes with the strap that you can hook. Appears you can hook it here, or you can hook it here and here. So that's the box. That's our February box. So it appears to be some useful things. The theme this month is stormy weather. So you've got a poncho to stay dry. You've got a dry bag to keep your camera and your phone and all that kind of stuff dry. You've got something to start a fire with. You've got a flashlight to see in the dark, and then you can seal your stuff up when it starts to leak. So as I have said before about Nomadik, it is full of, in my opinion, useful items that you wouldn't necessarily go out and buy unless you absolutely needed it. So being able to have these items and have them if you need them is awesome. So I will do my best to try to get prices, as I normally try to do, and put in the description so you can see if this box is worth the right around $30 box. Nomadik does say that their boxes have a 50 and up value, so we'll do some price finding and see if we can get an overall price for this box for you guys. So if you found this video useful, helpful, if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Have you bought a Nomadik box, or what do you think about the subscription boxes in general? Just let me know. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.